This is a pair of earrings, Demon Slayer earrings. And I got it for our con next weekend. I'm gonna open it up. These boxes are hard to open. All right, I got it open. I'm tearing it. So this is the box it comes in. And let's take a look at the earrings. Oh, nice. So this one didn't come in a bag, but here it is. It's so cute. Oh my God. Oh no, I dropped it. All right, so it comes with the 2 earrings, and then it comes with some extra. Can you see? Comes with like 4 earring backs, because you know we lose the earring backs all the time. I love it when they add in some extra ones, because they know us. They know we're gonna lose it. Nice. All right, let's see. Love it. All right, can't wait. All right, ooh, they're nice and light, and the metal feels pretty hefty. It's not like thin or flimsy. So, I mean, I'd recommend. So far, it feels comfortable. Definitely recommend.